Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change watermark color in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file, my PDF file, and click Tools option. Here we will find Edit PDF, click here Edit PDF and click Watermark. If you have existing watermark, click Update or not, select Add Watermark and type here your watermark name. Watermark. Now click this color and choose your watermark color. Already changed. This is red. And select other color. You can add custom color or change. Here OK. Now click OK. This watermark color already changed. And finally click file option, save as your watermark PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.